Welcome to another quick review. Today we're going to look at a padlock, but not just any padlock. We're going to look at a padlock that has 3 different ways that you can actually open the lock. Have you ever had a padlock that has a code like this? You enter the code and don't use it for 6 months. You go back to enter it and you're like, I don't think I remember the code anymore. And you can't get it open. Now you're struggling. You're going to have to go through a series of steps to try to figure out how to get it open, or you're going to have to cut it off. Well, this lock gives you 3 different ways to get in, and if you forget one of them, it's easy to go ahead and reprogram the lock. It is going to have a code in the front that you can enter. It is going to have a fingerprint spot on the back that you can use a fingerprint, and this lock even has an app that you can use. This lock is made by eLinkSmart, and the app that you would use is going to be the eSmart Lock app. So you would just go onto your app store, download that. If you don't, go that route, you can actually use the manual, open it up, and it has a QR code. Scan the QR code, and it's going to automatically take you to the app where you can download it. Now, the little owner's manual is going to walk you through everything you need to do to set up that app. Let's go over what you're going to get when you order it. First of all, you're going to get the lock. Now, looking at the lock, especially with this little waterproof cover, it kind of looks like it's maybe lightweight and cheap if you're looking at it in the picture. It's not. It's a very heavy-duty, strong lock. It's made to be, rated for either outside in the weather or inside. So if you're going to use this on a locker, at school or at the gym, it's going to be great. If you're going to use it on a toolbox, it's going to work fantastic. If you're using it on a storage building, it works great. It's just an all-around great heavy-duty lock. It's going to come in a nice box like this, so if you're going to gift this to somebody, it's ready to wrap. It's ready to rock and roll. This is a fully rechargeable system, and it's going to come with the little USB-C cord so that you can charge the system. Now, one charge, full charge in this, is going to last you about 6 months or 2,000 cycles, so that you don't have to worry about it running out of power anytime soon. So the app has a lot of really cool features. One of them is it's going to have authorized users, so you can authorize friends, families, workers, co-workers, whatever you need to be able to use the app and get into the actual system if they don't have the actual code. Now, that is going to allow you to have 1 admin and up to 1,000 users. The fingerprint on the back, you can set 2 admins and 18 users. So 20 in total will be able to use the fingerprint function. And obviously you've got the codes that you can set as well, and you can have temporaries in that as well. It also allows you to keep a history or a log. So every time it is locked and unlocked, you're going to be able to look at the history of who actually locked and unlocked it. So that is a really awesome feature all in itself. So now let's go ahead and test the unit real quick so you can see how easy it works. You're going to set a 6-digit code. Now I set a very simple one just for the demonstration so that we can see how it works. But I'm going to enter that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 and hit the lock. It goes green and it unlocks that quick. Now the next thing I'm going to do is lock it back. Now I like to use my index finger because if I'm working with the lock, I can take it and just put my hand behind it and put my finger on the actual little screen that reads it. So we're going to do that. Put it here. There it is, green, and you don't have to push anything else, just touch it. It will go from blue to green and pop up and unlock. So it's that simple. The fingerprint part does not fail. I've had other locks that use the fingerprint and you'll have to put your finger there 4, 5, 6, 10 times before it actually registers. This one, every single time that I've done it, it pops open. I also used, had my wife use her finger and set it up to see if it worked the same with her. Same thing, no problems. And I did not have a single time that I had to actually put my finger there twice. Matter of fact, let's do it again just to prove my point. So we are set there, put my finger back there, goes blue, green, and it is open that quickly. One more time, I'm going to set it, put my finger back there, blue, green, and open. I mean, it's every single time. So if you're looking for a really good lock that has multiple ways to open it, and it tracks the history of anybody going in and out of the area or toolbox or whatever you have locked up, you're not going to beat this system. So do yourself a favor, buy yourself one today, and we'll see you guys on the next one.